Welcome back to Teacher Class, and now we are looking at life cycles of animals. Now we are focusing on the 4-stage life cycle. In the previous video we discussed about 3-stage life cycle, and now we are focusing on 4-stage life cycle. Now in simple, 4-stage life cycle is always with these words: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. And you can see no matter which animals, egg, larva, pupa, adult, is always repeating this. Okay, and it's a must that you remember the sequence. Okay, now when I say sequence, it means that it's egg, larva, pupa, adult, or either larva, pupa, adult, egg, or pupa, adult, egg, larva. No matter how you remember it, there's no official starting and ending, but the sequence you must remember. Okay, so let's try to look at the first examples that we have here, which is about the butterfly. Okay, now for butterfly, let me start with adult lah. Okay, so adult butterfly actually lays eggs on the leaf. Okay, now it lays egg on the leaf, which is the eggs lah. Okay, and what happened is leaves is actually the food source for the egg. So when the egg hatches, the young will straight away be able to find food. Where? Why? Because it just lay eggs on the food, right? Okay. And adult butterfly is considered as a beneficial insect. Why? Because it helps in the plant's pollination. Okay, so that's about the butterfly. And when the butterfly lay eggs on the leaves, then it slowly will grow into something called the larva. A larva basically is a general name. To be specific, yeah, it's called caterpillar. And this caterpillar, as you know, it grows on the leaf, right? And because of that, it easily to find food. Okay, and that's why it also have huge appetite, and you just eat a lot of food. You eat a lot of food means that you eat all the leaves out. Okay, and because of that, you most multiple times to grow bigger in size. Most basically means it shed off the old skin and change the new skin. Okay, again because it eat a lot, it grows bigger in size. Then later on it will develop as a pupa, and this pupa, it will not eat anymore, it will not move anymore, it will just grow inside this cocoon. Okay, this one. Okay, oh by the way, larva is also known as a pest, means that it's a harmful kind of animals. Why? Because it eats away a lot of crops in the field. Why? Because it have huge appetite. It just eat. And that's why pupa, it doesn't eat anymore. Okay, and that's basically the life cycle of butterfly. And next we are looking at the example of mosquito. Now mosquito, let's start with adult also to discuss. Now adult mosquito lives on land, but you need to know one thing is the other stages like egg, larva, pupa, it always lives in water. You see, eggs lives in water, larva lives in water, pupa lives in water. So adult lives on the land, but the rest all lives in water. Okay, and adult mosquito is known as a pest because it spread diseases like dengue, fever, or malaria. Okay, so it's not considered as a good. Okay, not a good one. So adult mosquito will lay eggs on stagnant water, and these eggs will live in water. But when it's slowly growing, this larva, or we known as regal, to be specific, it will live on water and will feed on small organism that's living on the water. And what is special about this larva is it has a breathing tube to take in air above the water. So basically, you can just imagine this is water. So this will be the breathing tube. This will be the breathing tube, and it will get air from it. Okay, so this is water. And again here it moves several times. Again, why? To grow bigger in size. Okay, to grow bigger in size. And slowly it develops into pupa, and this pupa also lives in water. Okay, and that's basically how this mosquito grows. Okay, now of course because mosquito is a pest, right, it's nothing kind of useful or beneficial to human. Okay, so how do we get rid of it? How do we like kind of get rid of it lah? Okay, and because we know that it lives in water most of the times, right? Kind of water, water, water. You see the word water all the time. So what happens is we actually can put a layer of oil. So as you know, right, when there's water, and if you put oil, let me just draw for you, oil, the oil will actually float, and the oil can block oxygen from entering it, right? Okay, and the same thing because we have this breathing tube, which we actually can block it, so it cannot get air from it. Okay, that's why it can kind of kill them or uh, not allowing them to grow or live. Okay, so I have some memes here for you. This is a real butterfly, and that's how mosquito looks like when you fall asleep, right? Okay, so that's all for my discussion for this part, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.